Hi everyone, this is Jane here. Hope you're all staying safe and staying at home. Right, during this lesson, I'm going to do the initial phases to writing a complaint email. That means that we're going to do small little steps to help you build up and create a very professional sounding complaint email. Using appropriate language and structure, clear paragraphs, and signaling to the reader that you are a professional person. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to talk you through some slides that you can see here. Now, the next slide is a list of words that I believe will make you sound quite professional and sophisticated in your approach and can really give some weight to what you're saying. It will elevate your style of writing up to a level that is expected for level 1. So let's have a quick read through of these words. So it's disappoint, disappointing, flabbergasted, unacceptable, ignorant, inappropriate, and stunned. Now, on this slide, there is something which is called a Freyer diagram, and the reason why these are really useful is a way of embedding language into your long-term memory. So it's making sure that if we're going to use previous words that we've just talked about, we can actually remember not only what they mean, how to spell them, how to use them correctly, and other words that are the opposite of those. So the more times that you use these words and you find out information about the words, then that is more likely to embed it in your long-term memory and make it part of your own vocabulary. Now, I filled in one of these diagrams myself, just to give you a little idea about what kind of things that you can put in there. So a definition of the word disappointing is, I'm using a definition from a student that was actually used in class, and it's the feeling that you have when something lets you down. Examples: I was very disappointed with your service. I was disappointed with the quality of your goods. Now, for the facts and characteristics little window here, these are things that I've used that I personally find helpful when I am trying to remember how to spell words. So I put for the word disappointing, it has the prefix dis. That's the little bit that goes in front of the word. For me, it's useful to remember that it only has one S, and also that it has a double P. Now, if I can remember those little things, I'm more likely to use it in my writing when I'm writing independently, and I'm not going to let the spelling of a word stop me from using it. And then obviously in the bottom one, we've got what the opposites of the word disappointed are, and that could be delighted. I've just noticed there that there's a spelling mistake. I wonder if I can change. Yeah, I can change that while I'm talking to you. And satisfied. So over on the other slides, I've got flabbergasted, and I'd like you to do the same with this slide as I have done with the previous one. So you've got the words flabbergasted, ignorant, stunned, and yeah, stunned. So that is it. That's what I'd like you to have a go doing during this lesson. So good luck, and off you go.